After watching this video, you will have a new pattern what to sacrifice the exchange for. And the thing I'm talking about is structure. So we already learned that we can sacrifice the exchange to obtain a superiority on one color, which we also do get here, because if we take this bishop, we get this unopposed dark square bishop on g7. However, we get even more, and thus, when we add some pluses to our exchange sacrifice, we cannot just play for equality or keeping a balance with it, but we can also play for an advantage, being an exchange down. And the thing we get here is we damage this structure, and this looks really horrible. This king is ripped open, and also this e-pawn is very weak. Especially we get the e5 square, because he can no longer harass our knight with, for example, f2 to f4, because there is no f-pawn. And we really play around those weakened squares, and it's all based on this weakness of the structure. For example, here we try to target those two squares, for example, queen d3, guarding the e3 pawn, but our next knight is jumping in, and after that here we also see once a knight enters on e5, it will be pretty permanent, because it can be traded only once, and the remaining knight, it will always guard the f7 pawn, so that the rooks are really bad, which is so crucial in exchange sacrifices. Make sure that the rooks are bad, and after that we could expand on the queen side or try to soften his king side, for example. For example, after h3, knight to e5, trades. We also have this plan of targeting maybe the g3 pawn. Okay, he weakened himself here with h3, and we can just play queen g5, but if not, we also have like this plan of pushing this pawn. So there is no real counterplay, and black has a lot of those targets here. Bishop h6 might be an idea, queen g5, or again just pushing on the queen side after some preparation. Black is in full control, very stable knight, thanks to the lack of structure in white's position. And this is a very typical theme when you can sacrifice the exchange and really make a double isolated pawn in your opponent's camp. It should be worth considering at least, and once you checked it a bit, you will be able to evaluate it better and better. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.